So my name is Shiboo Varughese. I'm a CTO for CirrusLabs. We are an US-based company. Basically, we have locations in multiple areas right now. So we are headquartered in US, but we have locations in Canada, Dubai, India, multiple locations, and we're going to start in a location in Latin America too. So we are a software and a product consulting company at this point of time. So we have software consulting where we work with our partners to provide value. So in the areas of the technology, we have a whole digital transformation framework, which we has from basically from artificial intelligence to design thinking to products. We have an array of all the offerings available. So what we are trying to do here in GITEX is primarily to talk about a few offerings which is there. One is on AI Ops, which is actually artificial intelligence operations. And we have a partner called Science Logic there. We also have a product which we actually launched in the market some time back called LockThread, which is a GRC product, governance, risk, and compliance product. We also want to talk about AI because we have a lot of solutions which we work for the customers in the AI space, whether it's Gen AI or the traditional AI space. And we are actually pretty good in SAP services because we have a separate arm of ours which actually just do SAP consulting for companies. And the final offerings which we have is on automation and the DevOps area and the test cloud area, where that's our bread and butter because that's what we do day in and day out, where we can actually increase productivity of the pipeline or the productivity of the business operations as well. So most of the trends which we see, especially it's region-based. We are a US-based company, so most of the US clients are actually already cloud-centric. And we see in this region, companies are trying to move to a cloud-centric world. So there is a lot of effort which is actually experience which we can share and the learnings we can share from the cloud, from where we are on the on-premise side to move to the cloud. So that's a trend by region. But I think there's a lot of conversations around AI here, basically whether it's traditional AI or in the generative AI. So what we actually have done for our clients is to understand their requirements and build out solutions for them. One of the examples is basically to do call center analytics. So we actually do live call center analytics as well as post call center analytics. And that is using AI models, which is open source AI models available. So you don't have to be in the cloud to do it. We can actually do live call center analytics using AI inside an on-premise environment too. So those are some of the examples of how the trends are happening. AI being one of the things, but I think most of the movement to the cloud, I think the next few years we see a lot in this region. So we started our Dubai office a year back, where we are trying to actually establish our presence in the region. We do have a lot of leads, and we are actually working with some of the customers in this region right now. We already have products deployed in some customers at this point. So now we want to expand it, and I think GITEX is a huge platform for us to actually expose that to the whole world, what we are. We believe in co-creating success with our customers, and we actually want to build value and in our offerings for our customers. That's the two things, that's our mantra which we want to actually share, is where we can actually co-create value with. I know we actually provide a lot of there's a lot of consulting available, but where we are, our USP is to make sure we provide value. So that's whatever work which we do, we want to ensure that we provide value to the customers. So that's the bottom line for us. Yeah, we have our office in the Dubai Silicon Oasis. That's where our office here, and we have trying to set up offices in Riyadh and other regions inside this space. So our development centers in India has a wide variety of technologies they've been working on, and our US-based engineers are actually cutting-edge engineers who work in a lot of AI technologies. So what does that mean for a customer is to actually, if you have a business problem which you want to share with us, we're happy to work with you and actually provide a solution. And even if it does not land in a consulting project or a thing, we would like to brainstorm and provide value to you. So by providing some ideas where we can take it to the next level. So that's our motto, where we want to co-create success and provide value.